rather they can do good for some poor and needy person who would need it, would need it for their betterment.
Understand what you say, but what I want to say is that people who are spending 250 rupees, they are not necessarily that. They can be people who are having such money that they can afford to go and spend. Like right now, JW Marriott just opened up in Calcutta and it introduced a breakfast buffet for 1300, which offers nothing more than a coffee, a sandwich, a muffin, and a pancake. Now we can get all these items even in Piccadilly Square, but yet people want to get the taste of JW Marriott at, why not at just a 1300? They are not cool dudes, means they just want to get the taste of it. The same is for Starbucks. The same coffee that you
on your topic, I would like to say that in today's era, everything is being informal rather than formal. So if we want to meet either a corporate meeting or a friend meeting, so we would like to meet in a cafe shop, and this spending 250 will be a matter of just a penny spending. So if we meet together and share our views in any aspects of matter, so it's a very good idea to spend hours of time in the cafe shop, and that's why I do not feel that spending 250 would be actually.
But
I believe that I
yes.
I believe that spending 250 at coffee at barista is a no problem. But thinking like doing this only, you are a cool dude, that is not a fact.
Yeah.
I think
Thinking
it's,
like, yeah.
I think it's all about standard, keeping and maintaining a standard. Of people who earn a lot of money, I think they always think about that. What people will think about is, if we go in a tea shop and normally we drink a coffee or tea of 5 rupees. So it's all about creating a personality, creating a thought mind process in others' mind, that what they are thinking about us.
No, you want to say that the big people want the status. If I want to say that Ratan Tata still used to go to his base car on every Sunday, and he drives by his own. And that car name is, I suppose, the base car of the Tata.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I agree
That-
on
that
that.
shows- that
A
shows
measure
that-
for several
Yeah,
people.
I agree on
shows
that. I agree on that. But there is a point in that, because his personality is like that.
So you
So
said
So
I
make
would
your
like to
personality
say-
like that,
I would
rather
like-
than spending on a
Yeah,
cup
you
of
said
coffee to look cool, dude.
Yeah.
That's what people do. That's what people do. That
Yeah, but
they
that's not-
buy coffee of 250 rupees just to look cool. In other
And
people.
That
why
is
here
not the
we are
point.
not
Be
talking
cool rather
about
than be
we
look
are
cool.
not
By
talking
spending
about
250 in barista, you can experience once, that is fine. But you can spend 250 in other areas, like social areas. You can give rupees 250 to
a
a
beggar.
NGO,
To a beggar
to
or
a
something
NGO,
like
and
that.
they
Nobody
cannot
wants
ju-
to
you
give to a
cannot-
beggar also after knowing that
They
what those
actually
beggars
want-
are doing. Like
Yeah,
guys are
like
turning
in
into
Park Street.
sixers just
Yeah.
to earn back at Ravindra Sadan.
But
or
here
A
we
Lala.
are
man
not
cannot
talking-
be treated as a fool if he spent 250 on the coffee.
But
It cannot be
guys,
judged
we
by
are
that.
not talking about the corporates person over here. We are just talking about the young generation who just they want
It
to
is
show
actually
off.
showing
Like
off. It is actually
they
showing off.
are
Actually,
Right
cool
now,
and
even if
they
like
are
you
just-
want to
They
meet
would
your
like to
friends, you
show
will
at
not say
Kurta
let's
Bala
meet
rather
at
than-
Sharma tea stall, or rather
Yeah,
just meet
why
at
not?
a
I will
niche
do
wala
that.
type
I
of
will do
store.
that.
We
Definitely I will do
do
that.
that.
I won't have any problem, because I think
Because-
10 rupee.
You can't. You
then-
won't
You
go
can-
with your
you can-
girlfriend
you
to
can
a
go
I
with
will go
If
with
you
my
want-
girlfriend. I
if you
don't
want
have
to
any problem,
really have a
because
chat
if it's about happiness, I will be
fine.
much happier with drinking a tea
Still, Mumbai
for
actors
rupees
like
10
to go
rupees.
to Puchka shop and eat rather
Yeah.
than going to
And
a
I
five-star
They travel in
suppose
auto rickshaw just for
they are
happiness,
normal
because
Indian
happiness is what
general
matters.
people which prefer street food rather than going to a big restaurants and all. Like
You should represent your personality, not the 250 cup of
Because
coffee.
I have heard that the main motive is to become rich, not to look rich, or not to present yourself that you are rich. I think the base
Why are you
motive,
earning money? Then why are you
because I
earning?
have to earn money. My basic motive of life is to earn money, but it is not necessarily
We are
not for
getting
show.
off-
Show people that I
Getting
have
off
money.
the track for the topic. I'd like to say that
But that is all of showing off that yes, you are
it
drinking a
actually
sweet coffee.
depends upon our perspective, like what we are looking forward. If
Or what we want
yeah,
to look
what
for.
we
look
want
Yeah,
to
that's
look
what.
for. And
See,
how
I
we
present
find
ourselves.
our
I would
happiness.
love to, live our lives and present ourselves. Like if you want to drink a 10 rupees coffee, we can do that.
Different people, for
Definitely we
different
can do
people,
that.
spending
It's a different-
250 on
yeah.
a coffee can mean differently.
Yeah,
For some
that's
it
about
can
different
mean-
perspectives of the people.
an informal meeting is
And
much
old
better than
people-
a
Or
formal meeting.
some people may like actually the taste of
बोल,
the coffee,
शांत
that's
माता,
why
कुछ
they're
बोल।
ready to spend.
You can share your views.
Yeah, so according to me, if we really want to hang out with friends and we want to chat with them, then we can meet at home and we can enjoy there only. why we have to spend rupees 250 or more
And
at a
like
coffee
for
shop?
a like a old like couple, we can say it will be a adventurous thing for them to visit Barista and have a cup.
Because
think
they
that
might
would
have
be-
some
because
memories
they-
out there.
yeah.
I think that would be more convenient for a person who has not visited Barista before
Yeah,
and
before
suddenly he has
once-
got some amount of money or he has collected some amount of money. And
Just
you
to
know,
have a
just to have a good
It
memory
is
that
not
he
how
has
Barista
been to a
people
such good
do
place.
spend on Starbucks in spite of having
But the
barista out there.
youngsters-
Because I
Just
think
to-
for me, I think if I want to go a Taj or something like hotel, I would always dream of like भाई 5,000 का वहाँ का चाय मिलता है या 5,000 का एक 5,000 या 500 का चाय मिलता है. I think that would be a dream for me because
उससे better तो
being-
एक-
at this point of time.
See, at the end of the day,
People that-
content matters. Packaging doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's what.
Definitely,
I've
a
seen
person
people,
should not
they,
feel like
they just
he's a
want to
cool
post
dude.
it on
No,
Facebook,
no,
so
actually
they,
it's not
they
about
go
cool
to
dude.
visit
It's
places
about
and-
different
Yeah,
perspectives.
that is
It's
the
also about
point.
social
It's
media.
like
You want
different
to
people
post or
could have
TikTok.
different perspectives about it, that what matters to him both.
Last 1 minute.
So lastly, to conclude that it's depend upon the person.
Yeah, it depends on the perception.
And
Yeah.
for
We
what
cannot
reason he's
say
going.
we cannot say that a person who is drinking $250 or $250 coffee is a fool or something, because it can mean anything to anyone.
But mainly to the like I would suggest the youngster to not to drink a
The
I think they
the
should
money
more
has not
they should
actually
more
done
involve in
anything,
self motivation or
No,
self
they are going,
development
they are
activities
going
with
to
that
the world.
money.
It's a trend. Everyone would like to go to
But
the
I'm not
coffee
clear.
with her
You are in
girlfriend.
favor of the topic or you are against the topic?
If you want to go for a corporate meeting, it's
So are
better
you
to have
neutral?
an
It's
informal
not
meeting.
about
It's
a
not
meeting.
about
I have had a
corporate
personal
corporate
experience
meeting.
when my friend
There's
wanted a
no
birthday
problem in
treat.
that.
He took me to Barista and just made me pay 500 only for one cold coffee that he purchased, which was of
Will you be
450.
satisfied?
After
That,
that,
yeah, I
I
go
came
to
out
Barista.
saying that, "Bhai, आज के बाद कभी treat
Yeah,
मत
that's
करना
what-
मेरा
That's
जाना
your
है."
perception, but you are satisfied going there.
I was not satisfied. My friend was satisfied just because he wanted to say, "आज हम 450
Last 5 seconds.
That has become a trend.
So I think be cool rather than just look cool.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's
This